Hello dear friends, in this report I want to show you how to do a factory reset in your 2024 or even 2023 Hyundai vehicles. I'm sitting inside a 2024 Hyundai Elantra and I'm going to demonstrate how you can do a factory reset. This is important because factory resets are important to do every several times in order for your infotainment system and the screen and everything there stay up to date. So let me share my screen. Okay, so you're seeing now my vehicle and a beautiful view in Charlotte, North Carolina, and here's my screen. I'm going to demonstrate that. Okay, so when you look at your screen, you will probably see, if it's in the default, you will probably see just the time and the location, Fort Mill, South Carolina, which is just south of Charlotte, North Carolina, and the temperature, which is 88 degrees right now. Okay, so play with it. Okay, scroll on left. You see three lines here, and you start seeing the buttons. You can scroll even more, and you can see some more things that you need for your work. So go back, screen back here, and you will see setup. Click on setup, okay, and you can see some very interesting things like vehicle navigation, sound system, device control, and so on. And you can play with all of this. Now click on the lower right corner, you see general, because it's part of the general setup. Click on general and you can see some general things you can play with. For example, system info, date and time, language, keyboard, and so usually factory resets or general resets are always the last one in the menu. So please scroll up on the menu and you will see the lower one says reset. Now you have media options, units, keywords, and you can play. For example, if you click on media option, it has several things like continue to play media when vehicle is turned off and so on. But anyway, so we're gonna go play with reset. Okay, delete PR profile. We're gonna say click on reset all, and then we're gonna click on reset. Okay, reset system settings to factory defaults. Caution, all stored data and settings of every account will be deleted. That's okay. We just want to demonstrate this for you. So here's it, and it's already resetting. So it's even resetting my seat location, seat position. You probably heard the noise. Okay, and here we go. It's changing it to the factory default, and it says drive safely and obey traffic rules and so on. And now it wants me to confirm. See, it doesn't remember any phones, although it just says driver 1, driver 2, and guest. Okay, so we confirm, and here you go, friends, easily switching user profile. Hello driver 1, you can skip up and set up skip it and set up your profile, because I have to do this now. Okay, have a great day everyone. If you like this report and found it useful, please subscribe to our channel for daily automotive or electric vehicle news and how to do certain things in your vehicles. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report. If you like this report, please give us thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. See you soon.